Man, you just want to get up and dance to
Yeah.
Earth, Wind, and Fire.
And we
What
need
a
our yellow
classic band.
flowers, too.
No, we do. So we got two films coming up. You know, I never saw Dazed and Confused 30
me neither.
years ago.
But
so.
I saw that in TikTok. There was a scene from the movie trending of Matthew McConaughey saying something that's very inspirational.
Yeah.
That you only live once, you know, to enjoy life the most you can. Something like that he said during the movie.
Well, hopefully it comes to Laredo because that'll be a nice blast from the past to go check out.
Lots of people going out to check it out.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, lots of people, they could be checking out the movies tonight for their birthday.
Yeah, probably.
So from all of us here on the morning show, happy birthday. Baby Penguin is making a big splash on the internet. Pesto, a 9-month-old 50-pound king penguin, has gone viral. Well, hello there. That includes a photo of him hanging out with his parents. It all started with a gender reveal clip from Sea Life Melbourne Aquarium, where Pesto lives. Zookeepers say Pesto is now well on the way to adulthood and has even started losing some of his baby feathers. The zoo says swimming lessons from his dad will likely start soon.
He's just so cute and fluffy.
He is.
I just want to hug him.
Right? He looks like a big stuffed animal.
Yes, Pesto.
Yeah, very cute there. So some cooler temperatures.
Slightly cooler, I would say. It's not the temperatures that many of us would like to experience because it's the start of fall. This Sunday, it already passed, right? But we're going to be dropping into the low 90s. Here we do see for Wednesday into Friday. For Wednesday, it's still going to be feeling warm and humid, but once that system passes by, it's where it's slightly going to feel, you're going to feel the change. The winds will be shifting to the north as well, and you're going to be like, oh, it is very nice to be outdoors for Thursday and Friday. It's not going to be feeling humid.
Perfect. We look forward to it. Thanks a
Those
lot,
humid
Yolanda.
conditions are going to be gone.
Okie doke. That's all the time we have. We'll see you right back here with more local news on KGNS News, the early edition.
Bye.
Wow. I know. That's just crazy stuff
I
there.
don't know where to start, you know. Also, you know, the little girl sleepwalking into the forest. This also reminds me of those scary movies, you know, like
There's this little girl that sleepwalks, goes into the forest. It's called Mama, the movie. It's a scary movie.
Wow.
But then she bumps into this like scary person that's called Mama, but it's spirit. Yeah, it's crazy, but at least she was found. That's the good thing.
Yeah, amazing. Of course, you can take those drones and they can get into really hard places to reach. So, you know, very
Technology is
fortunate.
useful.
Yeah, absolutely. Very
And then
nice
the bulls in San Antonio and then in Massachusetts, they're beefing.
Absolutely. Wow. Okie doke. Well, lots of our friends today celebrating a big day. It's their birthday. The only thing flowing at this London pub, the White Cross Pub, sits on the River Thames. It's become an internet sensation because visitors there are often knee-deep in water. That's right. Since the pub often floods during high tide, it's now providing rain boots for patrons, though some people just prefer to go barefoot. One man even rowed his boat to grab a pint or two. According to its website, the White Cross was built, get this, in 1740
Wow,
and then
very
rebuilt
nice.
again in 1838. So, wow,
The dog's
definitely.
face was like, why am I in the water?
I know, that's
Aw.
crazy. So just, oh wow, just expect to,
You know, it's very fun
Drinking
and
water.
interesting to have something like that, you know, and you want to enjoy, you want to wet your toes and
Yeah,
stuff and have
especially
some
if it's
drinks.
hot outside.
Yeah, not
Very
bad.
nice.
Not a bad idea for us here in Laredo.
Absolutely, we definitely need that.
And I would
we
not
need
get-
some rain though
Yeah,
too.
We need some rain, and I would not dress up like very dressy to go get
true,
wet.
true that.
Okay, so our temperatures for today are going to be hot, and also it's going to be feeling humid, partly to mostly sunny. We do have some slight chances today. It could be late in the afternoon into tonight, looking at a 20% isolated showers and thunderstorms. But then by tomorrow, as that frontal system starts to get closer to our area, that's when we're going to see that 30%. And these showers are going to be isolated to scattered possible fog tomorrow in your early commute.
Okay, take note of that. That's all the time we have. We'll see you tomorrow or later on today with KGNS News, the early edition.
See ya.
Welcome back. It's 6:39. We're talking about the best in entertainment news. Two of the funniest people in comedy are joining forces once again. Monday, People magazine reported that Jerry Seinfeld and Jim Gaffigan are hitting the road together for a tour through North America. Next year's tour will stop at 8 arenas in the U.S. and Canada. This isn't the first time the two comedians have teamed up. They went on a 4-stadium tour last year. They also worked on the Netflix comedy film Unfrosted. Tickets for the new tour are expected to go on sale Friday.
Tell me a little bit about this because I do not know, Justin.
I'm a big fan of comedy. I'm a big fan of Jerry Seinfeld. Not so much about Jim Gaffigan, but I have seen his stand-up. He's really good. He's really funny. I love Seinfeld. I love the show.
What is it about the show? Like, just give me a little little brief.
So the show is basically about Jerry Seinfeld's life, the comedian.
Okay.
So his life and his friends living in New York, and they always have some type of weird dilemma, whether about girls that they're dating,
Oh
about
my gosh.
the what's it called, the soup server at the
Yeah.
soup stand, where they can't find their car.
Okay.
They always said that Seinfeld was a show about nothing, but in reality, it was actually about Jerry Seinfeld and where he gets his stand-up material. Because if you see his stand-up, he also talks about some of the stuff he talks about in his show as well. It's a very funny show.
Comedy, kind of.
Yeah.
Well, it's comedy. So.
9 seasons long. I love it. It takes place in the city of New York, which
Very
you
nice.
said you went to.
I
and
did.
they always go to that cafe. They're always at the diner, and they have that diner in New York, and you can see it there.
I think I saw it, but I did not go to the diner. I
One
know,
day
I
I'll
missed it out.
visit. Maybe one day I'll visit.
You probably will.
Turning to other news, Lady Gaga has been busy on a movie set and in the studio. The singer has 2 new albums coming out in the next few months. First up, Harley Quinn will be released on September 27th and feature 13 songs. Harley Quinn is a soundtrack album for the upcoming movie Joker, Fully Adieu. The Grammy and Oscar winner stars opposite Joaquin Phoenix in the movie, which opens October 4th. Meanwhile, the first single from her 7th studio album will debut next month. So wow, so she has the soundtrack for the movie and also an album coming out for herself.
That's very nice. So she's going to be coming out in the movie Harley Quinn and Joker. That was also filmed in New York, if you know that. And the
I
famous
didn't know that.
Yes, it was filmed in New York as well. So also that would be cool that they're going to have her music playing throughout the movie, the film.
That's very interesting, and I know that first reactions have already kind of said that it isn't as good as the first one.
I know. Yep, I really
but,
heard
you know,
opinions like that
I'm a
too.
very big fan. I like the first one. I like Joaquin Phoenix. I like Lady Gaga too. I liked her in A Star Is Born and the House of Gucci movie.
Yes.
So I'm really a big fan. I'm interested to see how it is.
So now you're going to watch this one.
I will
the
watch it.
Joker
You?
and Harley Quinn.
You're gonna watch it?
Probably, I am. Give
You're
it a
gonna
try.
go to the place in New York where they dance maybe one day?
I would like to go probably when I go to New York. Okay, let's
And
go.
lots of our friends. And how about some lobster to celebrate National Lobster Day on Wednesday? You could cook up some delicious lobster at home, or maybe even your favorite seafood restaurant, or you can cook up some lobster rolls as well. Should they avoid a trap that would bring them to you for dinner, for the dinner table? Some lobsters can live up to 100 years old. I did not know that. And they weren't always a delicious food, with lobsters very plentiful around the time European settlers reached North America. National Lobster Day started in 2014 when Maine Senators Angus King and Susan Collins drafted a joint resolution. Remember, you can share your lobster pictures on social media with the hashtag National Lobster Day.
You know what? It's still noontime. People are probably wondering what to eat. Why not a lobster? It's National
Why
Lobster
not
Day.
Red Lobster? Why not Blue Lobster? Purple?
Blue lobster is really
Pink?
rare, though. That's a very rare lobster.
Red Lobster, Blue Lobster, cookie.
Just it.
Oh, they taste the same. I don't know.
Probably we should get some lobster.
I love lobster rolls. You ever had a lobster roll?
No, I have not.
They're really good.
They're very good. Okay, that's good. What's not going to be that good is that today, it's still going to be on the warm side. It is going to be hot this afternoon. Temperatures will be ranging in the 90s, but slowly we're going to start to see as that frontal system approaches our area, those rain chances being at a 20%. Then once it passes by, it will leave behind drier air, making it feel less humid, so you're probably going to be enjoying the outdoors. And then tomorrow we're going to notice that drop in our high. It's going to be in the low 90s, 92. Lots of sunshine. And then just look, Thursday all the way into Sunday, our morning and nights, very nice and pleasant in the upper 60s.
Looking forward to it, Yolanda. That's all coming up right now. Be sure to join Brenda for the early edition. Till then, stay safe and have a great evening.
Nobody wants this. It's very nice, that film in Netflix. But also, I want to talk about people paying online thinking it's Brad Pitt.
Yeah, I mean, really, Brad
Come on.
Pitt.
And then how much they're charging you. If that person really wants to date you, I don't think they're going to be charging you that much money.
Yeah, some project that they invested in, and they were able to convince these people to shell out that much money. I mean, these Brad Pitt, fake Brad Pitt. So, just
that's
lesson learned. If
that's
it's too good to be true, it is too good to be true.
That's the bad thing about technology. Some people do use it for good, while others use it for something like this. They steal people's money.
Such shameful. That's
Yeah.
horrible. Oh, well. Well, lots of people out there celebrating a big day today.
Yay!
So from all of us here on the morning show, happy birthday.
And Thursday today is National Pancake Day, also known as flapjacks, Johnny cakes, griddle cakes, or hot cakes. Pancakes are traditional breakfast favorite dating back to more than 30,000 years. Pancakes may be the oldest breakfast food in history. They're made with mixed batter, and the topping options are endless: butter, syrup, fruit, whipped cream, honey nuts, and of course, or even chocolate chips. And of course, you can celebrate pancakes today by whipping up a tall stack and sharing photos on social media with hashtag National Pancake Day. Even though it's lunchtime,
Yeah, there's some people that eat pancakes still.
you can go to IHOP, you can go to Denny's, you can go wherever and still get pancakes.
Yeah, and how were those pancakes that Georgie cooked for us this
They were
morning?
really good, actually. Thank you so much, Georgie. I know we were going to have like a little cameo. We were going to bring out the pancakes this morning. Unfortunately, we ran out of time, so we didn't get a chance to do that.
Is there any pancakes left?
I don't think so. I think Georgie ate
Yeah, no, probably people got pancakes too this morning.
them. Me and Georgie.
Yeah, I know Mindy did get some pancakes this morning as well.
Me, Mindy, and
I
George.
wasn't able to get some, but probably next time I'll eat some. I told him if he knows how to make the oatmeal pancakes. Have you eaten those oatmeal pancakes?
Not a big fan of oatmeal. I have had chocolate chip. I love chocolate
chip. Yeah. I cheated because yesterday I ate some donuts and I was like, okay, I can't eat pancakes today.
Can't eat pancakes, can't eat donuts either, right?
Okay, waffles. I don't know about waffles.
How's it looking outside, Yolanda?
Okay, so we know we felt that change this morning. It was very nice, pleasant. What I mean that it will continue to be pleasant for the next coming days is like, it's not going to be feeling humid. That's why I say it's going to be very pleasant. Even though those temperatures will be going back into the mid to upper 90s. There we do see for tomorrow in the mid 90s. But today, enjoy it. We're expected to reach a high in the low 90s. Lots of sunshine. Then for the night, into Friday morning, we're going to be in the upper 60s. It's going to be very pleasant. Once again, for Friday night into Saturday, waking up into the weekend, we do see those temperatures are still going to be in the pleasant side. But then for next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, those 2 days, we're going to notice the return of those southeasterly winds. When we get those southeasterly winds, that means that we're getting that moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, so it's going to be humid.
As long as it's not humid, Yolanda, that's all I care about.
It's going to be a beautiful weekend.
I'm looking forward to the morning, cooler mornings.
In the 60s, upper 60s.
That's all the time I have right now. Be sure to join us on the early edition. Till then, stay safe and have a great day.
I know. That was so cute.
And then the coyote snatching the
Wow,
dog.
that was scary. You
At
know.
least she chased that coyote and was like, give me my dog back,
Yeah,
and it's
yeah,
safe. That's a good
absolutely.
thing.
Don't get between a person and their little fur baby, definitely.
And
That
then
would
the
do
interesting
same.
part, the octopus and the fish
Right.
work together.
Yeah,
Teamwork, you see?
absolutely.
Not only us humans, we could work as a team, even the octopus and the fish.
With a little smack
Punch.
if you're not doing your job.
If you're not doing your job, like he called them, the king or the
Yeah.
leader.
That was pretty cool.
It
Good
was.
stuff there. Well, also good stuff there are all of our friends out there celebrating their big day today. So
Excited.
from all of us here on the morning show, happy birthday. Well, finally from us, got chocolate milk? Well, I hope so, because today is National Chocolate Milk Day. The beverage might take you back to elementary school, but it actually originated in the 1600s by an Irish botanist. While living in Jamaica, he was introduced to a local drink made of chocolate and water. Well, he found it to be just a bit bitter and decided to add milk for the taste, and the new drink was a hit. Chocolate milk has several nutrients, including calcium, protein, and vitamin D. But of course, we also love it because it's just simply delicious. So celebrate today with a nice cold glass of chocolate milk. And you know what, Yolanda?
wonder-
I made chocolate. I did hot chocolate this morning.
Yeah.
Only because it's so cold here in our
Yes,
station
it is.
that I just made this great cup of chocolate milk and
Did you
or
use,
hot chocolate.
oh yeah, you said milk, yeah.
Yeah, and I did the marshmallows up on top and
Very
everything.
nice. Did you put whipped cream on it?
No,
Aw,
no whipped
we
cream.
forgot the
but
whipped cream.
I added extra marshmallows.
That's the good
So-
thing. I wonder if they still give them in school, the carton
Yes,
milks,
they
or is it
do.
plastic? Because I saw those were
they
plastic.
do the little carton milks.
Oh, okay, that's
yeah,
very nice. The
so-
strawberry one. I was introduced to the strawberry one. I was
Very
like,
delicious.
wow, very nice.
Yep, very delicious. Well, I'm not too sure how much longer we can have chocolate milk. Cold temperatures, hot temperatures.
It's going to start to feel hot for us this
Aw.
weekend. I'll say the good thing is that it's not going to be feeling humid. That's the good thing.
That is good.
Plenty of sunshine, though. So for today, if you're going to head out for that football game, because I know there's going to be some football games later on in the evening hours, those temperatures are expected to range in the 80s. We do see around 6 p.m. lots of sunshine in the low 90s. Then for the night, it's not going to be a breezy night, mostly clear, but those temperatures should be on the pleasant side, because here you do see that for tonight, we're going to be dropping into the upper 60s, meaning that tomorrow morning when you wake up, it is going to be pleasant, but then hot in the afternoon.
Okay, enjoy the morning outdoors then. Thank you, Yolanda. That is all the time we have. We'll see you right back here with more local news on KGNS News, the early edition.